Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2013 TB Mazda CX9 Classic. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This shape ran from the 12th month 2007 to the 12th month 2015. This vehicle is fitted with a 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a front wheel drive automatic transmission. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mag wheels. We have the left front, left-hand power door mirror, left-hand front door, left-hand rear door, factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. We have the left rear, left-hand tail light, left-hand tail light garnish, tailgate has a tidy rear bumper cover, factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. We have the right rear. Right hand rear door appears to have no damage. Right hand front door. We have the right hand power door mirror. Right hand halogen headlight. The driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Has a tidy center console, tidy automatic transmission gear lever, factory climate control air conditioning controls, factory touchscreen CD player with reverse camera, tidy left-hand sun visor, tidy right-hand sun visor, automatic transmission center instrument cluster, also has a black leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. We have the right front. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.